Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we'll be looking at some of the top 5 features on the Samsung Gear S3. Before going further on, make sure that you subscribe to my channel and turn on the bell icon to receive notification as soon as I upload a new video. So without further ado, let's get started. The first one is taking a screenshot on your Gear S3. To take a screenshot, hold on the home button and swipe from left to right. Just like that, the screenshot is taken. To view the screenshot that you have just taken, go to the Gallery app. You can even send this screenshot to your phone. The next one is a feature on the Samsung Health app. It is called Automatic Workout Detection. With this feature, the watch automatically detects when you are doing a particular activity, and it changes the exercise mode. To turn on this feature, go to the Samsung Health app. Scroll down to Settings. Then scroll down to Workout Detection. From there, select all the activities that you want your watch to recognize. The next feature is called Double Press Home Key. If you use an app frequently, then you can add its shortcut of the home key, so that every time you double press the home key, the app opens. To enable this, go to Settings, Device, and then click on Double Press Home Key. From here you can select the app that you want to open when you double press the home key. The next feature is called Auto Open Apps. Normally, if you want to open an app, you have got to focus the white dot towards the app and then click on it. But with this feature on, the app automatically opens whenever you turn the white dot towards it. To turn on this feature, go to Settings, App Settings, and then turn on Auto Open Apps. With this feature on, the app automatically opens whenever you turn the white dot towards it. The next one is a useful feature. It is called Wake Up Gesture. With this feature, the watch turns on only when you turn your hand towards you. To turn on this feature, go to Settings, Device, and then turn on Wake Up Gesture. This feature is useful in saving battery life, as the screen will not always be turned on. Now, as you can see, the watch turns on only when you turn your hand towards you. And if you want to turn it off, just cover it with your